Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear recently deleted photos on your iPhone. So, in order to clear recently deleted photos, literally all you need to do is open your Photos app just like this. Then, once you're at Library, you want to click on Albums, or if you're already at Albums, all you need to do is scroll to the downside, and then right here under Utilities you will find Recently Deleted, where you can click on. Then in order to actually view this album, you need to click on View Album, and you will need to enter your passcode, or you can use your Face ID to get into this album. Then right here you have your recently deleted photos. In order to delete just one or two of them, all you need to do is click on the select button in the top right corner of your screen, and you want to click on it. And then you need to go to the bottom right corner of your screen, click on the three dots and click on delete. And then you will be able to delete it forever from all your devices. However, if you also click on the three dots, you can also even recover them if you want to. Now, if you simply want to delete all your recently deleted photos, you need to click on select. And you just don't want to select a photo. Literally all you need to do is go to the bottom right corner of your screen again. And then right here it will now say delete all. And then it will literally delete every single photo in your recently deleted album tab. So that's how you can delete recently deleted photos on your iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.